chewing gum lose flavor over time, but do you know why? That initial burst of flavor when you pop a piece of gum into your mouth. It's a blend of sweeteners, flavorings, and softeners that excites your taste buds. Chewing gum's flavor release is designed to be gradual. As you chew, the saliva in your mouth dissolves the flavor compounds, releasing them for you to taste. But here's where it gets interesting. Many of the volatile flavor molecules responsible for that burst of taste are lost into the air or absorbed by the gum itself. As you continue chewing, your taste receptors become less sensitive to the remaining flavor compounds, leading to a perceived loss of flavor. Time is a factor too. The longer you chew, the more the gum's texture and flavor change. Plus, your saliva dilutes the remaining flavor molecules. Now you know why.